This is the Tamiya Tiger 1 unboxing. This is the mid-production of the German Tiger 1, the most feared tank of World War II. So let's open it up. Here we have the wheels that the tracks go around and other accessories. I've noticed that some Tamiya kits, the tracks come together, but this one, the tracks all come apart, and you have to put them together. Here's the chassis, which is the part of the tank that has the wheels for the tracks, right here. It is also where the driver sits. Here's pieces for the character that comes with this, and pieces of the turret and more pieces of the chassis. This one just has more accessories and the decals for the tank model. Here are the instructions for the Tamiya Tiger 1 to 35 scale. As you can see, they're pretty straightforward, just telling you the letter and number of each piece before you put it on. And these models have all great detail and are simple enough to put together. And here are just tips and tricks for model building. And also on the side of the box, it shows different paint jobs you can do on your Tiger 1. And there's the paint job for the character. So there's the Tiger 1 Tamiya model 1 to 35 scale.